Hello again everybody, welcome back. So today we have an American A1100 in red, but a little bit different because this one has actually been by Trekmaster30. So first time I've had a go at a American padlock turned into a challenge lock. That could be interesting, reasonable bitting on it. So give this a go and see if we can get into it. So, all working. It'll be interesting to see what can be done with pins on an American padlock. Just get that so we can see. And let's give it a try. So, tiny little click on one. A couple of clicks on two. Nothing on three. Nothing on 4, 5. A nice click on 5, and a couple of other clicks on there as well. That seems alright. Right, click on 1. A few clicks on 2. That seems to have a little bit on 3. Nothing on 4. 5. Right, click on 1. 2. 3, put us into a full set. Little click on 4, and there we go. Let's get that out of the vise, get a pinning tray in. So, I did have a go at this once before, and that took quite a bit of getting into. I think I actually got lucky on pin 3 that time, because before that took quite a bit of setting, and I think it probably went in a bit early this time, but we'll have a look inside. There we go. Oh, that could have actually bypassed it, save even picking it, but let's lock this up because we have the key. Makes it easier getting the clip off. Normally. Come on. There we go. One clip, and because this is a challenge, I'm going to shove a shim in there just in case. If I can actually get a shim in there. With that, that's it. So, an unusual for an American. I've not come across one before. We have actually got a 5-pin core. They're normally 6 pins and not not pinned for 6, but this is actually a 5-pin core. Come on out you come. Right, so we have threading, if we can see that, in 2, 3 and 5. We have some, where's my tweezers gone? Should have prepared a bit better. Definitely got tweezers around here somewhere. These ones I'll have to do for the moment. So we have a nice pin in 5, that's sort of a bit of a spoolie pin. Then we've got serrated, standard, and we have a 2-part pin in number 1 with serrations. So we'll see that one in a minute. Let's just have a quick look, see what's in the core. So 5 there. Doesn't look like anything's been threaded upstairs. So in 1, came out that way, that's serrated. Two, we have a 2-part pin again. 3, looks like we might have another drunken spool by the looks of it. That was what caused me the problems the first time I picked it. 4, we have a serrated T-pin. And 5, we have serrated in that fact. That's another 2-part pin. So fantastic work on those pins, taking into account the size of them. So great job on pinning that one. Let's just lift this up and give you a better look at those pins. Fantastic looking pins. So there we go. So thanks Trekmaster for pinning up a lock like that. That was fun. Thanks Randy for sending it to me, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.